Now we're going to fry our okra. So we have the oil very hot, and after that we're gonna turn it down, put it to medium before as we are frying the okra. So let me put that in the oil there. I'm gonna use my hands. Okay, let's see. And you let it brown, and it'll be ready to eat. Thank you. If you have any questions, just ask, okay? Thank you.